Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla hit our midterm target at 11.15. I'm quite proud of ourselves over here because that was a very interesting and specific number. It was a technical target and today we hit that point. Technically speaking, we hit 1114.77, but I will consider it as target hit and there is still a decent chance we are gonna hit that point for good, the actual 11.15. Still, we nailed another target. I am glad because our targets are very specific, right? Unlike most of the people who talk about 1100s, 1200s, our targets are very, very specific numbers like 920, 1115. Who remember the famous 1208? During December when Tesla was dropping 5% a day, I set a target at 1208 on December 17 and I did record a public video about that. And guess what was January 4's high? Exactly, 1208. Not 1200s, 1208. Now, again, we nailed another target. We almost nailed it just by a few cents. But right now, we see a kind of bearish candlestick pattern over here. So, is this a reason for us to panic? Is this a top sign? Or do you guys believe Tesla will break this resistance and seek other resistances? If that's the case, what are our next targets in Tesla? So, we're gonna talk about all of that and much more in this video. My dear friends, if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos about Tesla. Every single day I will be here to update you guys about my thoughts, my insights and etc. So I think you're gonna like the content. So let's begin our analysis looking at the 1 hour chart over here. In the 1 hour chart, we see a crystal clear bull trend. Okay, yes, we basically hit our target at 11.15, but we don't see any top sign. We don't see any bearish structure. How so? Because we are still doing higher highs, higher lows. We just triggered the pennant chart pattern we discussed about on Friday, I believe, and we hit our target, okay, but we don't see any bearish structure. What could convince me that Tesla is going to drop? If Tesla does this, let me draw it so you guys can see. If Tesla does this, okay, it does a bottom at the EMA, and if it fails in breaking the 11.15 again and does this, okay, this is going to be a classic bearish structure. If Tesla fails in breaking the 11.15 and does a bearish structure, okay, I believe Tesla is gonna do a pullback. Probably in the daily chart as well, not only in the 1 hour chart. Now, if Tesla does this pullback, okay, we can even fill this gap and the trend would still be bullish in my humble opinion. This could be an exhaustion gap and of course the bull trend will get weaker, but it's not going to reverse. So yes, Tesla could drop all the way down to 1010 again and the bull trend would still be intact in the 1 hour chart and would be still very, very strong. Now, before we talk about the daily chart, remember guys, here in this channel we talk about, I talk about my own personal insights in Tesla and I am a swing trader. And while most people believe that it is impossible to beat the market, being a consistent swing trader, I am the living proof that yes, it is possible to beat the market and I share every single one of my trades on my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. All my results are 100% public. My trades are 100% public. And if you want to have access in real time to my recommendations, remember to subscribe, okay? I bet you're going to like. Now, is Tesla doing a top sign today? Looking only at this candlestick, yes, it is a kind of bearish reversal candlestick pattern. It is a hanging man candlestick pattern. But this is not a reliable pattern in my humble opinion. Tesla must do a crystal clear bearish structure in the 1 hour chart first. Now, in the daily chart, if we lose today's low, okay, and if we do a crystal clear bearish structure in the 1 hour chart, okay, maybe we're gonna do a pullback. To what point? To the 21 EMA. That's a very plausible support level. So, as far as I know, Tesla could do this, okay, could drop to the EMA again and keep going up because the trend is still bullish and any pullback would be just an opportunity to buy. Okay, so as a trader, I am only looking for opportunities to buy. I do not believe Tesla is worth shorting at this point. Okay, that's crazy. The trend is clearly bullish, so I do not advise shorting this right now at this moment. But if you are, let's assume you are out of Tesla. If you see a pullback, okay, that's not a reason to panic. In fact, that could be just an amazing opportunity to add positions, to buy more shares, etc. However, wait for it to retest a crystal clear support level. Could be the gap area over here around 1010. Yes, could be the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. Yes, it could be, but we don't know yet. Either way, it will be just an opportunity to buy because the trend is still bullish. Now, what if Tesla breaks the 1115 from here, right? I mean, what if we don't see any pullback, any correction whatsoever? Well, if we don't see any pullback, probably Tesla is going to retest the next resistance at 1208 again. Okay, so that's going to be our next target from here. If we see a pullback, it's going to be a buy sign. Okay, if you're out, you can buy. But either way, even if we don't see a pullback, I think Tesla is going to seek the 1208. I rather prefer to see a pullback, so the risk reward ratio will make more sense. But that's the next target I think we should work with from here. Unless if we see, I don't know, a new bearish structure around that could convince me otherwise, then okay, I will change my target. But right now, I see no technical reason to believe we are not going to retest the 1208 again. And my dear friends, remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, because I do believe this video was quite helpful, okay? So give me your support, my dear friend. Thank you very much for watching so far. Stay safe. Farewell.